Hi everyone, in this lesson we are going to create the crosslink. To create a new part in Onshape, it's simply heading over to our lower left, selecting this plus button, and selecting Create Part Studio. Notice we have a new tab here. With this new tab, I'm going to right click and let's rename this to crosslink, hitting enter. The shortcut key for entering sketch mode is hitting Shift S. Prompted to select a plane, let's sketch on the front plane, selecting this and hitting N to view normal to. Let's grab our line tool, hitting L for line, creating a line from here going here. So notice once more the inferred horizontal constraint. Left click here, hitting escape, hitting L once more for line, creating a line from here going here. Double left click to end the chain of lines to be created. Once more, to prevent the line tool from creating a chain of lines, once more double left click. Let's create an arc, heading up, selecting this drop down, and let's select 3-point arc. Let's drop the first point at this end point. Next point here, left click, and notice the inferred tangent constraint, left click. Creating another arc, left click here, and left click. Let's create two circles, hitting C for circle, dropping its center point at the center point of this arc. Left click. The diameter for this is 10, hitting enter. Create another circle here. Left click, hitting escape. And once more, I prefer adding an equal constraint for these two circles. So I'm going to head up, selecting equal, selecting this circle and this circle. Left click, hitting escape. Let's now hit D for dimension. Let's dimension this arc to be 10. Hitting escape. And let's add a tangent constraint for this line and arc. I'm going to head up, selecting tangent, selecting this arc and this line. Let's turn on the visibility of our constraints, selecting show constraints for us to see what constraints must be added. Selecting this arc and this line. Let's hit D for dimension. Let's dimension the distance between this center point and this center point. Placing our dimension here, key in AT. Next, I'm going to hit L for line, create a line from this center point to this center point. Hitting escape, let's select this horizontal line and hit Q to make this as a construction entity. Hitting escape. Next, I'm going to head up to our constraints, selecting midpoint, selecting this line and our origin. Hitting escape. Our sketch now fully defined. I can head up and select that green check mark or simply right click and select confirm sketch 1. Let's turn this sketch into 3D. Let's now extrude, and the shortcut key for extrude is hitting Shift E. Prompted to select a face or sketch region, selecting this region. I'm going to rotate. Let's define the direction and change this to symmetric. For the depth or thickness, it will be 10. Operation to be new and selecting the green check mark. inspecting, hitting Shift 7 for isometric view. And in the next video, we are going to create the link.